teacher. Today we're gonna learn A and B. Let's press up. A and B. Let's sing first. Ready, set, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I know A, B, C. Next time, won't you sing with me? Let's write big A. A, big A, big A, small a, small a. Sound of A was ah. Apple. Alligator. Ant. Arm. Astronaut. Ox. Avocado. Ambulance. Let's proceed to letter B. Big B, small b, small b. Now sounds and objects. Bear. Banana. Bus. Balloon. Balloon. Bird.